Alright, YouTube, got some progress here done. I got the head off. That's just covering the injection pump. Yeah, they're not great, but I got away lucky. Why I say that is, if you look, it's sleeved. So that's less money I have to spend for machine work, being it's already sleeved. So that'll be good. 2 of 6 cylinders are stuck. So I haven't decided if I want to do an in-frame on it and just pop the sleeves, or do a master rebuild kit on it, pull the engine. I haven't really decided, but at least I know it's sleeved. I don't have to spend the money to have that done. What does worry me is I just filled them up with fuel, but the lifter buckets are full of rust. So yeah. But it's a good candidate for a turbo motor. Everything came off pretty easy. It's just been a muddy mess. But I don't know if you can see. 2 valves are stuck open on the cylinders that had water in them. The rest are fine. The lifters, as you can tell, like I said, pretty bad. Well, not the lifters, but the push rods. But let's clean this up. Drive these out. Probably just, they have guides in them, so I'll just drive the valves out. I'll do mostly everything, and I'm going to take it to a local machine shop, have them cut the seats or put in new seats, and I'll put the turbo valves in, turbo valve train, because these have a 45-degree valve face, where a turbo motor has a 29-degree valve face. So we'll do everything we can to keep it cool, safe, so don't burn it up. Fuel tank and everything else is off, sheet metal. All the head bolts, rocker assembly, water pump, that's seized. Not the water pump, but the rocker assembly. That's gonna come apart. Get cleaned up. But not really as bad as I thought. It's not great, but it's a benefit that it is sleeved. Can pull the sleeves out. So yeah. It doesn't look like it blew a head gasket, but I wasn't chancing it. So yeah. Weirdos. But yeah, the video series will start when I start rebuilding it. Just tearing it apart just takes too much time. But I will explain things as I tear it apart. So alright. Catch you guys on next one.